This ride takes us through Hyderabad, moving along the city roads during the ride. The mood here is calm and focused, with the sound of the engine carrying us through the changing rhythm of the streets. Let the road unfold naturally as we settle into this stretch. A little further along, this part of the route shows a grounded side of Hyderabad, where everyday movement defines the street. Shops, side lanes, and passing vehicles build a sense of momentum, and the pace stays steady. It is the kind of stretch where the ride feels less like a destination and more like a continuous observation. As the ride continues, here is something worth knowing about this part of Hyderabad. Even with the rise of modern malls, the old city bazaars remain vibrant and irreplaceable. That local detail adds depth to what might otherwise seem like a simple road, and it reminds you that every ride here passes through layers of history and routine. Coming into the next stretch, from the rider's perspective, this section is defined by spacing, timing, and attention. Traffic flows in its usual unpredictable pattern, so every opening on the road matters. The experience becomes less about speed and more about reading the street early, staying smooth, and keeping the ride controlled. Further down the route, as the route continues, the presence of modern high-tech gives this stretch a stronger sense of place. Landmarks like this help anchor the ride because they turn a moving sequence of roads into something memorable. With the road opening ahead, the atmosphere here changes with the hour, and the weather adds its own character to the ride. The road noise, light, and movement around the bike all combine into a very specific riding mood. That is what makes city POV footage work best when the narration supports the scene. As this ride through Hyderabad comes to a close, the journey may be simple, but the texture of the road, the city, and the ride itself is what makes it worth watching.